I don't accept a sagging jawline or jowls as an inevitable part of aging, even if everybody tells you that's just part of getting older. And here's what I see most women do when it comes to that stage in their life. They're researching filler appointments, they're booking surgical consultations, they accept that the jawline is softening and they're just thinking that that's just part of getting older and there is nothing that they can do about this naturally. And I get it. You're looking at your jawline softening and you're just thinking, that's it, that's just how it's going to be from now on. This is permanent and I have no choice. But here is what nobody's talking about. Your jawline is not sagging because of age. Your jawline is sagging because of what's happening underneath your skin. Stay with me. I'm going to explain everything to you and how you can fix this. First of all, when your neck and chewing muscles get tight, they pull your face downward. So everything gets a little bit softer and floppier down along the jawline. Second of all, your fascia, your connective tissue loses glide and structure and it can't hold the cheeks up efficiently anymore. So the cheeks slide down and everything collects here. And then also through lymphatic stagnation, fluid collects in the lower face and that adds to this heaviness and to this bunch up along the jawline. And the whole time you're thinking the only option you have is injectables or surgery, but nobody is telling you that it's tension and compression that is causing that and that you can improve this with your own two hands for free in just a few minutes a day at home. What I'm not saying is that a surgical facelift doesn't work or that injectables don't work. They do work, but not all of us want to spend the money or want to go that path. Yeah, some of us just want to age naturally without interfering with more invasive procedures. So here's what's actually going to lift your jawline in a natural way. First, we are going to release the tension that pull downward that comes from the neck and the chewing muscles. We are going to open lymphatic pathways so that this fluid doesn't collect along your lower face. And we are going to also reposition the cheeks so they can sit higher up and with that lift everything up. And we are going to also improve all of our connective tissue and fascia, so it just has more structure and more glide to support everything that is underneath your skin. This is something that has not only worked for myself, and I'm 43 and my jawline is all right for my age, especially considering that I always, even at a young age, I was struggling with a double chin and puffiness, softening around the jawline area. But this has also worked for so many of my clients. I've been doing these treatments for clients in one-on-one sessions. I'm a facialist in the treatment room and it has worked. And I have taught women to do it themselves at home as well. And I have seen amazing results from women lifting their own jawline at home. Now I'm going to show you the exact 5 areas that you need to take care of in order to lift your jaw naturally. We are going to target the 5 key areas that cause sagging. We're going to look at tension, fascia, lymphatic drainage and repositioning. And if you do this consistently, then you will see your jawline become more defined and sharp in days or weeks. So let's get into our first area, which is going to be the chewing muscles. And you're going to simply take your hands and begin to perform some circular movements along the jaw, looking for all the tender and tight spots here. When this muscle tightens, it pulls the whole lower face down. It also pulls the chin backwards. So it basically creates something like this. And then all of this becomes undefined and just fuller than it needs to be. So by massaging this area, we're kind of lengthening this muscle and allowing the chin and the jaw to move back forward and create more space underneath the jaw. This can be quite a sore and tender area, especially for those of us who tend to grind the teeth. So yeah, get in there. It doesn't need to be complicated. You just want to do a nice deep massage. This is not just being on top of the skin. This is going nice and deep to release all of the tension. Point number 2 is the platysma muscle, which is a long, flat muscle that goes from above the jawline here, all the way down to your collarbone. So we need to massage this muscle so that it stops the downward pull. Also massaging the neck area is going to help to stimulate lymph flow and all the lymph nodes that are positioned around here. So let's take a hand and we're just gonna slide down and also up. So you can go both ways. Sliding up is gonna help to release the fascia. And sliding down is going to help with lymphatic drainage as well. I'm going to show you just a few moves quite quickly. You can pause the video and stay with each a little bit longer. I would recommend to massage all these 5 points about 2 minutes for each area. You can use a little bit of oil if it feels quite stretchy and irritating to your skin. But in order to release the fascia, the connective tissue, we need to work more without oil. So I'm kind of looking for that stretchy sensation. You can do some circular movements as well. Massaging the sides and here towards the front of the neck, avoiding this stretch here in the front because it's a bit more sensitive. I do teach how to massage this inside the 15-minute facelift, but for this video we are going to stay around this area towards here. Okay, let's move on to step number 3, to point number 3, which is the under chin area. And there are so many things you can do for this area, to massage this area, but I want to show you a very simple technique. You're simply going to take and pinch that area along the jawline. You can go from the chin and just kind of grabbing quite a nice amount of tissue. Again, you don't want to just be doing a little bit on top of the skin like that. You want to like really grab so that you always almost feel even like you're grabbing a bit of the bone and then sliding off and massaging deeply that tissue along the jawline. If the skin gets red, that's a good sign. We do want to also improve a little bit of blood flow. Just helps to rejuvenate the tissue. The more circulation you have to your face, to your skin, to the tissues underneath the skin, like the muscles, the faster skin rejuvenation happens. Point number 4 is the cheek. So we are going to reposition the cheek in a higher state, like coming back up. And for that, you're simply gonna take your fingers, put them on the bone, the cheekbone, and then slide from underneath and grab some tissue and move everything up as if you just wanted to lift, like literally take your cheek and just lift it up. Again, you don't need oil for this. You can put a little bit of moisturizer if you want. Just be careful not to drag on your eye down. So you want to use these 2 fingers to be as a support, and the bottom ones are moving up, up, up. Being very mindful of the index fingers not pulling down like that. Okay, so we're not doing this. We are going up, resting the fingers on the bone and moving up. Second side. This might look a little bit rough to you, but I swear all of these techniques that are quite deep, even like it looks like pulling on the skin, it has worked so wonders for me. There's way too much scarcity about, touching your face in a deep, intentional way. And then step number 5 is going to be decompressing the neck, just because the neck is such an important area for the state of your jawline. So I like to do this with a stretch, and I'm going to show you this stretch right now. You just put your hands on your collarbones to fix the tissue a little bit, and then you're going to lift your chin up and stretch. So you kind of want to pull on the collarbone down whilst the chin is moving up, and you're not throwing your head back. It's more like you're reaching with your chin towards the sky. And there are more advanced techniques here as well. There are different things we can do to deepen that stretch, which I teach in my program. But for the purpose of this video, not to make this too long and keep it simple for you, we're going to be doing that, and that will already help to get you started. Right. And we are on the way to a sharper jawline with working on these 5 areas. And all of my clients who've been following this structure and this routine for the jawline, they don't just see a temporarily improved release of puffiness, but they just see the jawline literally redefine. These 5 points or areas are foundational if you want to sharpen your jawline, and if you want to have a full follow-along sequence of working on your whole face and tackling every area of your face, including the jawline, because everything is so connected in a systematic, mapped out way for you, then I invite you to join me in the 15-minute facelift system, which I have created specifically so that you can redefine, lift, and smoothen your skin and your face in 15 minutes a day. You will have 7 guided routines that hit every angle of your face, including your jawline. And as a bonus, there is also my upper body melt and lift series, which focuses specifically on releasing tension from the neck, the shoulders, and the chest, which is super important, especially when it comes to the jawline. I so believe in this program because it's literally, it just takes you 15 minutes a day. It's really not that complicated, and it doesn't take so much time. Comment jawline below, and I'm going to send you the link to the 15-minute facelift, or head down to the description box where I have linked all my programs. The earlier you start releasing these areas, the faster and the sooner you are going to see a change. This is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the information that I provided in this video and the routine and techniques, and I shall see you in my next video very soon. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just shoot them down below. I love reading your comments. I'm always here to answer, to help. So yeah, thanks for being here. Bye.